When most people buy crypto, they either plan to trade it or hold it. But there's a third option many beginners don't understand at first. Your crypto can actually earn whilst you hold it. That's where Binance Earn comes in. Binance Earn is the section of the platform where you can grow your crypto without actively trading. It brings together savings, staking, Launchpool, and automated investing all in one place. Let's start with the simplest concept. If you're holding crypto anyway, instead of letting it sit idle, you can deposit it into an earning product and receive rewards over time. It's similar to earning interest, but with digital assets. The foundation for beginners is called Simple Earn. Inside Simple Earn, there are two main options, flexible and locked. The difference between them is mostly about access and time. Flexible products actually allow you to deposit your crypto and withdraw whenever you want. You begin earning almost immediately, and your funds remain accessible. This is usually the safest and most comfortable starting point, especially for people who are risk averse. Locked products require you to commit your crypto for a fixed period, such as 30 or 60 days, and in return for locking it up, you typically receive a higher rate. If you withdraw early, you lose the rewards you earned. An important concept to understand is principal protection. This means you'll receive back the same amount of crypto tokens you deposited. However, the dollar value of those tokens can still rise or fall with the market. For example, if you deposit 1 Ethereum, you receive 1 Ethereum back plus rewards. But if Ethereum drops in price during that time, the value of your holdings will decrease. The protection applies to token quantity and not price stability. Now let's talk about how rewards are generated. When users deposit into flexible or locked products, those assets are pooled and lent to vetted borrowers within the ecosystem. The interest paid by those borrowers is what funds your yield. The rate you see, called APR, is not fixed forever. It changes based on market demand and activity. If borrowing demand increases, yields can rise, and if demand falls, yields actually drop. You may also see APY mentioned. APR is the flat yearly rate without reinvesting rewards. And APY includes compounding, which means your earned rewards start generating additional rewards over time. Beyond savings, there is staking. And staking applies to certain blockchains that use a system called proof of stake. By staking your tokens, you help support the network and receive rewards in return. On Binance, staking is simplified, so you don't need technical setup. For Ethereum, users can stake small amounts instead of needing 32 Ethereum to run a validator independently. Binance manages the technical side and distributes the rewards accordingly. There is also something called soft staking. With soft staking, you can keep selected tokens in your spot wallet and still earn rewards without locking them. It is designed for users who want flexibility. If you hold BNB, there's BNB votes. This automatically distributes your BNB across different earning opportunities like staking and Launchpool. It's designed to optimize yield without you manually managing everything. Now, Launchpool works slightly differently. Instead of earning interest, you stake certain assets and receive newly launched tokens as rewards. And when the farming period ends, those tokens are listed for trading and you could have made some profit. Auto Invest is another tool available. It allows you to automatically purchase crypto at set intervals using a strategy called dollar cost averaging. Now, this helps reduce emotional buying decisions and builds consistency over time. Now, we need to address the risk clearly. Even though your token amount is protected in Simple Earn, the market value of your crypto can still drop. Crypto prices remain volatile. Locked products reduce liquidity if you need your funds urgently. They may not be immediately accessible without losing rewards. That's why beginners should only lock funds they wouldn't need quickly. Rates can also change. Promotional campaigns sometimes offer high yields temporarily, but those rates often decrease once the campaign ends. Always understand where the return is coming from. There is also platform custody risk, and when you use earning products, your crypto remains on the exchange. Binance maintains security infrastructure and insurance mechanisms. but no centralized platform eliminates the risk completely. For beginners, a balanced approach works best. Start with stablecoins and flexible products to understand how the system works, and once you're comfortable, you can explore locked options or staking gradually. Growing your crypto safely is not about chasing the highest percentage you see. It's about understanding how much each product works and matching it to your goals. Yield should support your strategy, not pressure you into decisions. If you approach Binance Earn with clarity and patience, it becomes a very useful tool rather than a gamble. And in crypto, clarity is always more valuable than speed. We could talk more, Charlie.